Thank you for your interest in Social Post Wizard. One of the things that we have in Social Post Wizard to try to keep our costs down is that we lock the GPT up with a secure password so that we can continue to provide this at a good cost and not have people that are unscrupulous not want to pay us and share this with all of their friends and family members and everybody else, which would not be fair to us for all the hard work we're doing to keep it up for you. With that in mind, you'll see on your welcome section a thing about security that talks about the main secure password is changed each month. What we do is once you've purchased Social Post Wizard, you will get this email right away with instructions on how to log in using a monthly password that's changed. We will also take your email address and create a special combination of username and password that's specific for you that does not have to be changed. So you can keep that and save it and use it all the time. We don't want you to have a hassle, but we do need to find a way to try to keep this somewhat secure. So here I'm going to show you once you have either the default password, like I said, that gets changed, or your username password combo that we've created for you. You're going to come to Social Post Wizard, you're going to hit start, and you'll get a message at the beginning that says access is denied because it's looking for your username password combination. Now, this is slightly different than some of the other things you've seen where you'll have a username, click a button, then a password, okay? In this case, it's a combination of all of those together, and it has to be exactly this way with whatever we gave you, like your email, semicolon, and then the password combination all tied together. We'll share that with you, but each month, all you need to do is copy this and paste it in, or copy and paste what we give you. Once that's there, you're going to hit enter, and now you'll be able to get right into Social Post Wizard. And as long as you don't exit the screen, start a new chat or something else. I mean, you can exit the screen, but if you start a new chat or close down Chat GPT, you'll need to log back in and use that same password combination all over again. Okay, thanks for your time.